So I brought my car to the tire shop today to get my flat fixed. And they wouldn't fix it because the screw is on the edge here. They said if they put a patch, it wraps around the sidewall. So I'm gonna patch it myself. So I'm gonna use a tire plug. Probably not the best way to do it, but I'm getting new tires in the spring anyway, I don't really care. So picked it up for 13 bucks at the auto parts store. So I gotta feed this plug into this tool here. Gotta work it in a little. It's kind of cold out here, so it's not real flexible. So, gotta pull it through till it's halfway. Like so. This is the reamer tool that'll clean out the hole. So what I need to do now is remove this screw. And I'm gonna get a little air coming out, that's okay. I can top it off once I get it plugged. Okay, so it's a drywall screw. It's probably from me working on the bathroom. So I can't blame anyone else. Now I gotta ram this reamer in the hole. And that just cleans it out good to give a good surface for the plug. So I've got the hole cleaned out. The rasp is still in there. But in order to make it easier to insert this, I'm going to spray it with a little bit of lubricant. And this is just basically like window cleaner. So I'll set that here. Okay. Push that out. Okay, this is take two. The first one I couldn't get in far enough, so I ended up drilling the hole a little bigger. And then I put some of this rubber cement around the plug. And that acted as a lubricant and also will add some extra sealing. And I don't hear any more leak. So now all I'm going to have to do is trim this off with a utility knife so it's flush with the tire. I'll clean some of that gunk off. But this should get me through the winter. Okay, so it's had a few minutes to dry. Now I'm just going to spray a little soapy water on there to make sure it's not leaking. If it were leaking, it would be blowing bubbles. And I don't see, I mean, other than the bubbles that came out of it, it's not making bubbles. So it's good.